This is Crying Through the Tears, dedicated to all the souls who are just trying to be seen, survive, and thrive. Sometimes it feels like all I've ever had is heartbreak. I sit and wait for all the pieces to be picked up by the birds and brought back to the trees to turn into the words that come to me. I was born on a rainy night, and I've been crying ever since. I got mud on my boots, I keep falling in ditches, and it just gets deeper and deeper, but I can't let it go. I can't let it go. I don't wanna die, and I don't wanna change. I wanna make $1 million crying in the rain. I'll make it to the top of this pile of mud one day. I've had my heart broken into. You ain't gon' believe the shit I've been through. And if it doesn't kill you, you can tell it. Sometimes it feels like the clouds follow me. It's dark in the daytime and light when I need sleep, but I'd rather it be that way than not be. I had a dream, I was running in my hometown. My legs felt like water, I fell to the ground, but I stood back up and I ran to the finish. You know I'll always get up, you know I'll always get up. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna change. I wanna make $1 million crying in the rain. I'll make it to the top of this pile of mud one day. I've had my heart broken into. You ain't gon' believe the shit I've been through. And if it doesn't kill you, you can tell it. And you won't believe the things I've seen. You'll have to hear them to believe all of the bad things and all of the good things. I don't I wanna make $1 million crying in the rain. I'll make it to the top of this pile of mud one day. I've had my heart broken into. You ain't gon' believe the shit I've been through. And if it doesn't kill you, you can tell it. If it doesn't kill you, you can tell it. If it doesn't kill you, you can tell it.